What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to Scratch Outdoors. Hey, came up here today to the camper. I'm gonna do a little electrical work. I bought some. I went to Lowe's, and I also ordered some stuff online, but I'm not sure if the ones I ordered on Amazon were what I needed. So I went to Lowe's and picked up some receptacles, and they look like this. I don't know if you can see these. So we're gonna get these installed, and then yeah, that's what we're gonna do today, and see what else we can do today. I bought a trash can. I bought an 11-gallon trash can with the lift top. When trash cans become so expensive? $12.99 for a trash can, a cheap plastic trash can. Trash can. Throw some trash in. I took all my trash boxes out that I had. Let's see what this receptacle look like. Oh, here we go with this. Here we go. Here we go. Tamper proof. Let's see how I go. Alright, let's try to get this old thing receptacle off. Ouch, my knee! I ain't never seen nothing look like this before. Oh. Y'all ever seen this? Y'all ever seen this type of wire? So it looked like they all pushed down into a groove and cut the wire. Okay. I see how it's kind of done, I think. All right, so I got to cut some of this back so I can wire it properly. I need terminal boxes. I mean, these ain't got no terminal boxes. No, it's like an all-in-one. So I'm gonna have to do something temporary until. Alright guys, I think before I put this up, so I guess the camper box has a built-in box around the wiring. I don't know if you can see this, but there's no box in the wall. So I need boxes. I need several boxes. So I need to find a hardware store somewhere near here, because I don't want to put the wires back like this, just in there. I don't feel comfortable doing it. 7 or 8 of those boxes, and they're shallow will be better, and the ones that clamp on to like drywall. Cause that's what I need. So I'm gonna try to find some of those and I'll be back. It's always something. All right, guys, I'm back. I found the Ace Hardware, and I was able to find not the shallow boxes, but I was able to find the boxes that I need. But the problem is I was only able to find 3. I got 3 up in the ceiling I need to take care of, and so that works out for that. So I won't be able to do the other ones today, but it is what it is. I will be able to get these 3 done. Loving the trash can. What? Excited about little things. I'm gonna take this TV down and get it out my way. May have to cut the hole a little bit bigger for these boxes. It's only big enough for these, and I gotta put, so this kind of fits in this almost. Not sure, it might be a little wider, so we'll see. Let's get it cut. Let's get this TV out the way. I know it was a pain getting that antenna screwed in, but it'll be easier. It'll be easier once I'm done, I think. Remember, guys, I never hooked the generator up yet, so I have no power at all. There's a 12-volt battery hooked up somewhere, I think. I don't think that works, so yeah. I think I'm golden on that. Good old Harbor Freight Bauer oscillating tool, still charged up. That's really all I need right there. It's not much. Not much at all. See what happens. Not needed. In case y'all are wondering, I already went and checked on Mom's. Alright, so let's get the wires pulled back through. I think we got it. Whew, it was a pain, but we got it in there. I think what it is that box is right. I don't know if it's hitting the roof or it's up hitting something and it's close. But anyway, we got it in there. I don't know why this is being so difficult. Now let's see if I can push it all back in. My arms are tired. Maybe that'll help get it going. Let's see how this Harbor Freight coax connector does. I got a crimper end on just one of them. The other one can kind of be, I don't know. I'm gonna put an end on both of them. See what happens. Let me figure this thing out and I'll come back once I get it connected. I think this is cable. Alright, we should be golden. Back up. Almost forgot. Almost left the plug. Okay. Now. Yeah, that's how that goes. Back up there like that. I don't know about screws. Maybe. But it's up there, guys. Got that bird's nest of stuff out the way. So we should be good with that. Can you see that? Alright, so I got the wires all back up. I got the receptacle hooked up, coax hooked up, the plates mounted. I got to get a cover for that. Yeah. So let's on to the next one. A lot easier with that one. All right, bring it back when I got it done. Crap. All right, guys, I got this one mounted up in the top. I'm gonna leave this dangling for now because I got some stuff I need to do behind that plate, so I don't want to put it up to have to take it back down. So I'm gonna leave that one down and move on to the third one. Look who showed up though. Check it out. Say
hello, I'm back in town.
All right, let's try to tackle this last one right quick. I don't know what's right quick, but got the third circuit installed. Now I'm gonna go crank up the wind and get that going. And all right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today. I ain't doing nothing else. I'm tired. Them 3 receptacles put a hurting on me. But yeah, they're working. TV's up and running. Antenna's still working. Got my bright lights on. Ooh.
Yeah, the lights on.
Got my bright lights on in here.
Everything look good.
Cut my bright lights on in here. Look at that. Everything's working. That one's up there and running good. The jack antenna's working good. Oh, that was the second one. Third one is back here. Third one's up there. I don't know if I can see that. So everything's plugged up. That's working. Everything's working. I need to install these cable thingamajigs. That's gonna do it for today, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with your friends. I see y'all on the next one. Scratch Outdoors. Peace.